Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can grant TikTok permission to suggest your accounts to others. This helps in getting followers and have people noticing your content. This is very useful in branding and so many more ways of promoting. It's simple, simply start by opening your TikTok. Then after getting this results, simply go on the profile menu. Then after having it, simply click on top right menu. Then go on privacy. Then after simply click on suggesting your account to others. Then click on contacts, then turn this button on. After reading this, simply click on OK. And then from now your account will start getting suggested to others. And if you are uncomfortable after some time, you can always come back and turn it off. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.